Congrats on downloading Lynk. Now let's get you signed up so you can start sending and receiving money safe, fast, and easy. We're still in the early phases of the app, so we'd appreciate your feedback towards making it perfect for you. Let's get started. Open the Lynk app on your phone and click the sign up option. The next thing we'll need is your mobile number for verification and your 6-digit login PIN. Really put some thought into your PIN. That definitely means no 123456 or the same number repeated. Look out for the text message with your Lynk verification code. Enter the code in the app to verify your number to continue signing up. Next, we'd like to know a little about you, like your name and email, so we can keep your money safe. Don't forget to double-check your info to make sure it's correct. Now, we're at the two-step process we use to verify your identity. Why two? Because the safety of your money is very important to us. First, you'll need to upload a photo of a valid national ID. This can be either your driver's license, voter's ID, or passport. The photos uploaded should show both the front and back of your ID. For a smoother process, try to avoid uploading dark, blurry photos. Step 2 is just as easy. Simply follow the instructions to record and upload a short video of yourself as requested. The photos and videos you share are important to verify and protect your information and will never be shared with third-party apps. If at any time you're having issues signing up, please send an email to help@lynk.us. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now all you have to do is check for your verification email and follow the instructions to finish setting up your account. The process can't be completed without the verification email, so refresh your inbox and check the spam folder if you don't see it immediately. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to claim an exclusive referral code for signing up. Now you can start sending and receiving money on Lynk, but this is just the beginning. Look out for our new features like cashing in and out, coming soon to an ABM near you. So, how was the signing up process for you? If you have an idea of how we can improve this exciting new app, send us an email at feedback@lynk.us. Have you enjoyed your experience with Lynk so far? If yes, rate our app with 5 stars and help us grow.